All right, this video is for those of you who are needing to send in your dermatoscope for service. So just as a reminder, at dermatoscopes.com, we are an independent distributor, so we don't ourselves perform service and repair. But of course, we're happy to help you in getting that arranged. So on one hand, if you know that you need to have your dermatoscope sent in, no question about it, then beneath this video, you'll see a link that says request service. If you click that link, that's the process, that's the official process with Dermlite headquarters. They handle the service and repair, and it starts with filling out that form. You fill the form out online. They then contact you to arrange for you to send in your dermatoscope. I believe they even send you a shipping label, and that's the official process. So if you know that's what you need to do, go ahead and click that button. The only thing I would say though is that probably about 70 to 80% of the time when someone is experiencing issues with their dermatoscope, it turns out to be something relatively simple. And if that's the case, then sometimes it's worth implementing the simple fix rather than sending it in. Biggest concern being that by the time you fill out the form, send in your dermatoscope, and you receive it back, it can be 2-3 weeks even by the time everything is said and done. So sometimes a simple fix is just preferable. Now I mention that because also beneath this video you'll see a link that says reply with video, and that would be where you can upload a video to show me what's happening. And by seeing the problem, sometimes I can then recommend the simple fix. So either way, if you know you want to send it in, if you know you need to send it in, go ahead and click that request service link. But if alternatively you'd like for me to take a look at it and see if it might be something simple, go ahead and click the reply with video and send me a video to show me what's happening. All right, thanks.